Welcome, everyone, to our first lesson on digital marketing. Today, we're starting our journey into the world of digital marketing by understanding its basics. Digital marketing is how businesses promote themselves online. It involves using websites, search engines like Google, social media platforms like Facebook, emails, and mobile apps to reach people and get them interested in products or services. Digital marketing is super important for businesses nowadays. It helps them reach more people, make more sales, and grow their brand. With digital marketing, businesses can connect with customers all over the world and see how well their marketing is working in real time. Digital marketing has changed a lot over the years. It used to be simple with just basic websites and ads, but now it's way more advanced. We have cool stuff like personalized ads, data analytics, and even AI helping us make marketing decisions. Online presence. Your online presence is like your digital identity. It's your website and how you show up on the internet. Having a good online presence makes it easier for people to find you and trust your business. Customer journey. This is the path a customer takes from discovering your business to buying something. Understanding this journey helps you create better marketing that speaks to your customers at each step. Data analytics. Data analytics is like using information to make smart decisions. With data, you can see how well your marketing is working, what people are doing on your website, and how you can make things better. As we wrap up this introduction to digital marketing, remember that it's all about using the internet to connect with people and grow your business. In this section, we're going to dive into a practical example of how a business can make the most out of digital marketing to grow its presence and reach its goals. Let's take an example of small business owner, let's call her Ray, who sell hardball products. Let's explore how she can leverage digital marketing to grow her business and reach more customers. Ray runs a small business called Ray's Herbal Remedies, where she sells all natural herbal products like teas, oils, and supplements. Now, let's see how Ray can use digital marketing to spread the word about her products and connect with her target audience. Websites. Alright, let's start with Ray's website. Think of it as her virtual storefront where customers can browse her products, learn about their benefits, and place orders online. With a user-friendly website, Ray can showcase her herbal products and attract potential customers from all over. Search engine optimization, SEO. Now, imagine Ray's website as a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. By optimizing her website for keywords like natural herbal remedies or organic herbal teas, Ray can ensure that her website pops up when people search for herbal products online, driving more traffic to her site. Social media marketing. Think of social media as Ray's digital marketplace. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest provide Ray with a perfect stage to showcase her herbal products, share customer testimonials, and engage with her audience. By posting regularly and interacting with her followers, Ray can build a loyal community of herbal enthusiasts. Email marketing. Alright, now let's talk about email marketing. It's like having a direct line of communication with Ray's customers. By sending out newsletters with herbal tips, special promotions, and exclusive discounts, Ray can stay top of mind and encourage repeat purchases from her loyal customers. Content marketing. Picture Ray as the friendly herbal expert sharing her knowledge with the world. Through blog posts, how-to guides, and educational videos, Ray can establish herself as a trusted authority in the herbal industry, attracting new customers and retaining existing ones with valuable content. Paid advertising. Last but not least, let's talk about paid advertising. It's like putting up billboards on the digital highway. By investing in targeted ads on platforms like Google and Facebook, Ray can reach potential customers who are interested in herbal products, driving more traffic to her website and increasing sales. So, there you have it. By integrating websites, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising into her digital marketing strategy, Ray's Herbal Remedies can effectively connect with her audience, grow her online presence, and thrive in the competitive herbal products market. Each component plays a crucial role in Ray's journey to success in digital world. Now that we've covered the key components of digital marketing, let's delve into practical examples and exercises to help you apply what you've learned and decide which key components to focus on for your own digital marketing strategy. Website evaluation. Our first exercise is a website evaluation. Take a moment to visit a website of your choice and assess its design, user experience, and content. Consider how important a well-designed and user-friendly website is for attracting and retaining customers. Social media audit. Next, let's conduct a social media audit. Choose a business or influencer on social media and analyze their profile. Pay attention to the type of content they're posting and their engagement with followers. Think about whether social media could be an effective platform for your business to connect with your audience. Keyword research. Now, let's dive into keyword research. Use a keyword research tool like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify relevant keywords for your business or niche. Consider whether SEO is a priority for your business and how targeting the right keywords can improve your online visibility. Content creation. For our next exercise, let's create some content. Write a blog post, record a video, or design an infographic related to your industry or area of expertise. Think about whether content marketing aligns with your strengths and interests and how creating valuable content can establish you as an authority in your field. Email campaign creation. Finally, let's craft an email campaign. Write a series of emails to send to your subscribers, focusing on providing valuable content, promoting your products or services, and nurturing leads. Consider whether email marketing is a suitable channel for reaching your target audience and driving conversions. Now, as you've explored these practical examples and exercises, it's time to decide which key components of digital marketing you want to prioritize for your own strategy. Remember, you don't have to do everything. Consider your strengths, resources, and business goals when choosing which areas to focus on. And yes, anyone can open a digital marketing agency, but it's essential to specialize in specific areas to stand out in the competitive market. By focusing on your strengths and the key components that align with your business objectives, you can build a successful agency that provides value to clients and helps them achieve their digital marketing goals. Alright, that wraps up our practical examples and exercises for this section. Take some time to reflect on what you've learned and how you can apply it to your own digital marketing strategy. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance and focusing on what works best for you and your business. Alright, everyone, we've reached the end of our video through the fundamentals of digital marketing. Let's recap what we've learned and discuss the key takeaways. We've covered the essential components of digital marketing, including websites, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Each of these components plays a crucial role in building a successful online presence and engaging with your target audience. Through practical examples and exercises, we've explored how businesses can apply digital marketing strategies to achieve their goals. Whether it's evaluating websites, conducting social media audits, or crafting email campaigns, these exercises provide valuable hands-on experience to help you sharpen your skills. It's essential to recognize that no business can do it all. By identifying your strengths, resources, and business objectives, you can prioritize the key components of digital marketing that align with your goals and expertise. Remember, it's quality over quantity. Digital marketing is a dynamic and ever-evolving field. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to continue learning and exploring new strategies and tactics. Finally, the most important step is to take action. Armed with the knowledge and tools you've gained from this video, I encourage you to implement digital marketing strategies in your own business or career. Experiment, iterate, and always strive for improvement. Remember, digital marketing is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires creativity, adaptability, and a willingness to learn and grow. So, embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop striving for success in the digital world. Thank you all for watching our video. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Happy marketing!